Hi Annette, this is Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing, and I'm going to show you just some things that you can do to your website to help you get some more clients calling you and just how to beat your competition and such. It's going to be three things that I talk about, which is number one, the content on your website, making sure it's keyword rich, making sure there's enough content. There usually needs to be 1,500 words minimum. I'm also going to talk about backlinks, which are other websites that refer to yours. And then look at your citations as well. So these are other online directories that your business is listed on. And so doing these three things together can really help you push up in the search volume, in the search standings, so that you're picking up all of the search or as much as possible as you can and getting those calls coming to you guys. So I'll just dive right in so I don't waste any more of your time and just show you kind of what's going on right now with your website and what you can do to help fix that. So this is your site, of course, and you've got some content on there that just really needs to be expanded. Your site looks pretty good as far as like the overall look of it and everything. Maybe some minor modifications that I would do, push the reviews maybe toward the top and get a click to call button. Maybe just organize a few little things differently. But really what we need to do is have the right content on there that picks up the keywords that Google, that people are actually searching for on Google. So if you look at, and I just picked, one of your services and I looked at, add some volume on there, excuse me. So Nutritionist San Francisco. I know you're in Sausalito, but just try to pick up something so you can see search volume, in your area, pretty close by. And you can see that WellSpace is running an ad on here. MV Nutrition, Happy Belly Health, and San Francisco Nutrition are in this map section. And your citations and your Google Business Profile enhancements will help you rank up in this map section, and we can definitely help you with that. If you look down in the organic section, you got San Francisco Nutrition Clinic.com is number one, kellypowers.com is number two. And so what we want to do is look at like how do we beat those guys to push up in that organic search. So this is San Francisco Nutrition Clinic. They've got a site that's just doesn't have much content on it at all. They've got lots of different information on different back pages and such. And then you've got WellSpace SF, which has got a lot of content on it, and you're really trying to beat the pages that are talking competing with the services that you have. So like for nutrition and holistic health, if that's something that you guys do as a business, then you want to beat their page that's specifically speaking to that. Now, when I look at your site, I see that you basically have 0 keywords that you're being found for. So Google is not finding you at all. You're not picking up for anything. You're not even being found at all right now. Your site has very little strength because you've only got one backlink coming from one other referring domain coming to you. And what you want to do with the way the World Wide Web works is like it borrows power from other websites that might mention your website or might mention a link that is, say, Nutrition San Francisco or Nutrition Sausalito, and that links to your website, and that passes that power from the other website to yours, and so your website gets stronger, and that's how that works from a backlink standpoint. Now, what we want to look at are, what are some opportunities for you, and then what is your competition doing? So this WellSpace SF, they've got this back page ranked. You can see that Health Coaching Nutrition in San Francisco is what they're ranking. They're being found for 40 keywords for that page alone. And they've got 9 backlinks coming from 5 different domains sites. So that's basically 9 links coming from 5 different places. And this, you can see that reflected in their strength. Their overall domain has a little bit stronger strength, but their URL for this particular URL is not super strong. They're just doing enough to get by, and that's easy to beat. If you look at San Francisco Nutrition Clinic, you see their site is a little bit stronger. They've got 50 backlinks coming through 12 domains, and they've got 39 keywords that they're being found for. And we can drill into those keywords and see, but I just picked some over here just so you could see like what this looks like from a volume standpoint. So Wellness San Francisco gets searched 100 times a month, and has a keyword difficulty of 4. So anything below a 5 usually takes us around 3 to 6 months to get ranked for that. Sometimes it's a little bit quicker, But, you know, when you jump up to an 11, it's a little bit more, but I like seeing these zeros and ones. That's dental, so that's not going to be something that we search for. But, you know, you can see wellness retreat. If you had a retreat, that would be a little bit more competitive. And, you know, I just go down through here and find out what is the best solution for your business. And that happens after our conversation, you know, when we talk about, like, what is most profitable for you, what business are you trying to pick up, where are you trying to grow, how much are you trying to grow. Really got to dig into what you're trying to do as a business owner to really tailor this effort to meet that. Because I base everything off of an ROI that is anticipated. So I can put in, okay, we can get X number of searches. We can expect that, you know, you make this amount of profit per each client. And, you know, that translates out into dollars and cents. And we can come to a fee for my services for that. But that's kind of how that works. And I look at, like, you know, nutritionist San Francisco, 300 searches a month. Love that. Nutritionist with an S on it, San Francisco, spelled out, you know, another 250 searches a month. This one's in San Francisco. You can see another 250 a month, and the keyword difficulty is low. So these are great ones that, you know, I can just see right now, you know, to target for you, because you're trying to pick up as much search volume you can with as little bit of difficulty as possible. And if you drill into, well, you don't have any showing right now. I'm just going to show you just what, say, the San Francisco Nutrition Clinic is picking up for. And, you know, they've got Nutrition San Francisco, dietitian near me. You know, just go through and just figure out what the volume is. And because you're in Sausalito, I know it's a smaller community, and we may have to branch out to the San Francisco market to actually pick that up at a higher volume. But we're not trying to get everybody in that area that's searching for services. We just want to put you in front of as many people as we can so that we can get some calls coming in. And, you know, really that's what it looks like from the search standpoint. We also enhance your Google business profile so that it also has keywords in it. We add photos and posts each month and do those certain things just to try to get as much traffic calling, you know, your number. We do everything is trackable from a trackable phone number, so we can see exactly how much volume we're getting of calls. We can see, you know, really how to make sure that you're getting that ROI that's anticipated. But if you would like to talk further, my name's Paul Heck. I'm with Grassfire Digital Marketing. I'm in Arkansas. I'm on Central Time, but I do this all over the country for lots of different clients in a lot of different service sectors. When the search volume is there, it's definitely something that you want to go after, and we can help you do that. You can reach me at 479-326-7899, and you know, just give me a shout back. Let me know what you think of the video, and I'd love to set up a time where we could talk and just see if this is, you know, just learn more about your business and see if this is something that, you know, you'd like to partake in. So, again, Paul Heck, 479-326-7899, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.